So to fix this problem, head straight to your phone and try to search for settings. So tap on the settings. Now tap on see apps and notification. Tap on the see your apps. Wait for it to load. So after loading, tap on the search app at the top over here and try to search for Bradesco, and it's going to pop up like this. Just tap on it. Then after tapping on it, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restrictions, and make sure the background data is still good on like this. Go back and tap on notifications. Make sure the show notification is still good on like this. Now tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed over here, which is very necessary. Tap on storage and cache. So after tapping on storage and cache or storage on your phone, it depends on the phone that you're using. When it opens, just tap on the clear cache. Then you go back, and after that you tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. Don't try to clean the storage. When you clear the storage, maybe you might not get access to your account. The reason why I'm saying this is sometimes most of you forget your password, so it's going to be very difficult if you don't know how to recover password on your phone or on a certain software. So I'll be doing a video on how to recover password on any software. So now after doing this, what you have to do is to go back to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. Now tap on it to open it and try to search for Bradesco app. When you search for it, tap on it and try to update the app over here. So after updating the app, tap on power button, then tap on restart to restart your device. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.